Alrighty, so you are going to be copying the notes on page 59 and 60 of your PDF textbook, also our hard copy textbook. This just goes with it so that you can understand what it's all about. So I'm going to again draw two lines that intersect. Alrighty? And around them I'm actually going to pop a circle just so that I can identify those angles better. I'm going to colour in these two angles. What are they called? Vertically opposite. And these two, thank you, are also called vertically opposite. Right, if I said to you this angle and this angle, what could you tell me?
Angle on a straight line.
Angles on a straight line, and they would add to 180. Vertically opposite angles are, pardon me, equal. Alrighty? So this angle here and this angle here have the same value. Okay. Angles on a straight line add to 180, and that means that this angle here plus this angle there add to 180. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is grab that, Control C it, Control V it. So when I do that, I get myself a new image. Okay, now here what I can see is that this line here and that line there are parallel. How can I tell? Because when I moved this around, I could never change its angle. Did that make sense? Yeah. Yeah. So if I was to stick that there, it's going to be parallel. So I can build that image up quite nicely by translating. So all the purple angles are the same, and all of the red angles are the same. Okay, corresponding angles. I'm going to colour in this angle. This one is corresponding to it. Does that make sense? Because it's like when I moved this, wherever that angle was, it's there. So that's corresponding. It just means I moved it. Let me do that again. If I was to grab different colours, if I put green there and I need another colour, pink. Oh no, I've got 4 different colours, that's alright. Okay, so I'm going to grab this, Control C. Oh, whoops. Try again. Grab that. Control C, Control V. Right. If I put that there, all of these correspond to that. Am I making sense? All of these correspond to there. All of these correspond to there. So I'll just put that there, and I'm just going to pop that there. Nice pretty colours. That doesn't quite. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my original where I had your purple there and I had the red there. Okay, and the one that we're going to look at is, let me see, I'm going to look at this angle here. Which one's corresponding to that? That one. And that one. And from there to there, that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. If I was to grab this angle, what's corresponding? That one. That one. That one. That one. Okay. If I was to grab this one, Corresponding? Is that making any sense?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So can I tick off corresponding, that we kind of get what that is?
Definitely.
Good. I like. Co-interior. Let's have a look for co-interior. So this one and this one are co-interior. 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 So I think what I'll do here is go back to getting only one set of parallel lines, not the whole lot, because that can be a bit confusing. And we're looking at co-interior. So the co-interior are these two, a co-interior. The other co-interior are these two. Okay?
Wow.
So they are on the inside. So the co-interior are why we call them FUZ angles, that is co-interior. It's on the inside. This one here, this one here is corresponding. It's like from there to there, corresponding. And the other one we've got to do is alternate, one each side. So for alternate, we've got that one and that one are alternate.
Yes.
And this one and this one are alternate. Let's go back to actually getting them all pretty, that all of the blue angles are the same and all of the pink angles are the same. Copy? So this one and this one are alternate. This one and this one are
Yeah.
co-interior. This one and this one are corresponding. This one and this one vertically opposite. This one and this one
180 on a parallel line.
angles on a straight line. Okay, so the people who didn't understand, could you stop that? Down the back?
Yeah.
Right, can you tell me this one and this one, what are they called? Yep, corresponding. This one and this one? Co-interior. So that's the U. Okay? They're inside, they're co-interior. Okay. Let's have a look at our F. It would be that one and that one. Or, oops, I better get back to that one being pink and that one being blue. That one and that one, what are they? The brown ones? Brown ones, what are they? Corresponding. Yeah. What about this one and this one? Thank you. What about this one and this one? Thank you. Corresponding.
Thank you.
So corresponding is when you grab it and you move it. They correspond. Does that make sense? No? Wherever the angle is there and it moves to there, it's called this corresponding angle. It's not making any sense. No? No.
Oh. You can still listen.
Okay. Corresponding we've still got a problem with. Okay. So can you see that? Yes. So if I take that and I'm cutting and pasting it, can you see that I can just move? So it's called corresponding if I could just have moved it. So now we're nodding. So the brown ones correspond to each other. The orange ones correspond to each other. The red correspond to each other, and the blue correspond to each other. Got it? Okay. So that's our corresponding. Co-interior is when it's on the inside. So those, these two are on the inside. You're imagining that, if you like, is the U. So these two are on the inside. So they're co-interior or consecutive interior parallel lines. They add to 180. The other two, that one and that one. Oops. Okay, we're just having a bit of a fresh start here. So I'm going to grab that, Control C, Control V it, and I'm going to pop it there. Okay. So now what are we looking at? We have got co-interior. So this one and this one are co-interior. And also this one and that one are co-interior. But we know that this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle are all the same. Thank you. And we know this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle are all the
Same.
So co-interior add to 180 because you've got one red and one blue. So they add to 180. Okay? Alternate. So to get our alternate angles, we're looking at one each side of the transversal. That line in the middle is the transversal. So we've got, just to get your language right, these two lines are parallel. That one there is called the transversal. Hopefully I've got my spelling right. So you've got one either side. It is alternate, just like either side of the Z. And where's the other two that are alternates? We have got that one and that one. Are alternate angles equal? Yes, because remember the red, the red, the red, the red are all the same, and the green, the green, the green, the green are all the same. So alternate, one either side, you actually get two the same. Alternate, one either side, you get two the same. And you can actually have exterior alternate. This one here, all the way around to there, and that one there, all the way around to there, which is a bit hard to see sometimes. Okay? So are we wiser? Yeah. So copy your notes.